Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shukran and watching your tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video we are going to create a Spring Boot project in VS Code. Earlier we saw how to create a Spring Boot project using Spring Initializer in this video, but now we are going to create a Spring Boot in VS Code. Okay, so let's start guys. I have opened my VS Code here and we are going to install few extension, and after that we are going to create the VS Code, because without extension we cannot create a Spring Boot project inside VS Code. So for that, what are the extension needed, I will tell you. So as you can see, I already installed Spring Boot dashboard. I mean, it's a STS if I say in short. But what are the extension needed, I will just go through it here. And Spring tool shoot. Okay, so this will allow us to download and install the required extension needed for Spring Boot application. So there will be only one option. When you click on that, it will install all the required extension for you. So I have just clicked on the particular Spring Boot tools kind of. There will be a particular for you. I already installed this, but for you there will be only one. And if you click on that install button, it will install all the required extension needed for Spring Boot application for you directly. No need to install separately. Okay, so this particular extension you need to install, and after that we are good to go with the Spring Boot project creation here in VS Code. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. And if you have any doubt, please let me in comment section. I recommend you to create the project parallel with me, so that if you get stuck anywhere, you can easily follow the video. So let's start guys. And in order to create a Spring Boot project, so what we are going to do is we are going to open command plate in VS Code, and or else directly you can control shift q. Directly if you hit right, you will get this kind of command or UI here. Now we are going to write spring ini, the same that we created with the UI in web going through Chrome and all, but the same we'll get it here because we have installed the particular extension here. So I will just click on Spring Initializer, create a Maven project, and after that I will just select the particular version that needed and the which language I will be using in my project. Basically I will use Java, right? You can use up to you, like, but we are going to learn with Java. So here dot example means I will just replace with my channel name here, and you can easily create with your channel or whatever needed, your company name or site name, whatever you can put it here. Okay, let's click on enter, and the demo app is demo API app, demo API app. Okay, I just write whatever you needed, you just create a application and start working on that. Okay, so I just given, and the packaging type will be jar, and then JDK version should be, we select should as a 8. And after that, the main thing dependency come here. We are going to select Spring Web, okay, which is an important thing for creating API and MVC based project using Spring. So next one will be data JPA for dealing with the data and Java way, right? Java way. And so let's pick up the dev tools. Okay, and then for live reload and all. So these three dependencies as of now we are going to use, but later on we can add a number of dependencies. You can see here a lot of dependencies showing like in the previous video we saw. So as of now I have to hit enter because I want to continue. So it will create a project. I will use this folder and I will just generate this into this folder. So my project will be generated inside that folder. As you can see here, the application that just I created is generated inside this folder, and the demo API app I will just open inside VS Code. Okay, so don't save, I will just say, and it will open in VS Code. So once it open in VS Code, we can start working on this project easily, and whatever needed we can just simply go through the project file that just got generated without using any web API or going through the Chrome one, right? We used only VS Code to create a Spring Boot project. Now you can start working on this Spring Boot project. Whatever you want to develop, you can develop easily. and the project files easily you can got it here, like you got it here, right? Main Java resources. In resources you will get the application.properties. You will talk about everything, and then after that we'll go to the next video, that is we'll move to this project file structure of this Spring Boot, and then after learning that thing we'll start working on creating project, right? So that's all about this today video, and I hope you also created the same application in your system if you followed correctly. If not, then you can go back again and check the steps easily, and you will get definitely the same application in your system. If you found any issue, please let me in comment section. And guys, I'm working hard for you, so please support me. So you can join my membership in my channel. So there are 3 type of membership, you can go through it. And if you want to thank me, then give a super chat and super thanks. Yeah, that's what I need your collaboration to learn together. Okay, we'll meet in next video. Thanks for watching. Please share, hit like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.